Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret from Mac Studios. In this video, I will be unboxing Furibee 160. My dad bought this quad because I want to put ROM cam on top of it so I can create high quality videos of my flights. The box looks really nice. Time to open it. There are instructions, battery strap and the 8mm range, jump on props, clear and black. Those type of props won't be good when you're flying in the line of sight because it will be hard to see, but it won't matter to me anyway because I'll be flying FPV. Here's the quad and the antenna. Now, unlike the other antennas I have, I can put it on easily to my quad and take it off. And I can bend it a little. It'll probably support bigger distance in FPV. Let's talk about the quad now. The frame is really nice and I really like the design of the motors. Very cool color. The motors are 1506 3400 kV. The camera is ROM cam clone. The batteries I use are 1000 milliamps, so it takes the weight of the aircraft less than 250 grams. One thing that is already disappointing is the battery connector. It is only XC13, so now my mechanic has to change it to XC60, so I will be able to use my standard battery. And look, if I put my battery here, the wire is on its way, so I have to move that too. All modifications are done, and now I will be able to bind it to my Tyrannus. This quad came with a FR Sky receiver. It is an 8-channel receiver, so now I will bind it. I'm gonna turn on the transmitter. And press the menu button and page. I'm gonna scroll down until I find the bind button. It's gonna start making that noise. I'm gonna press the bind button to the quad, and I will connect the battery. Okay, then I'm gonna let go of the bind button, turn off the power, and I'm gonna exit. Now, moving on. Now I'm done with the binding process, and I will move on to the next step. I will start beta flight to verify that this quad is bound to the radio. Okay. I'm gonna connect. Go to receiver. You can see that all the sticks, they are responsive. And now I'm gonna assign the switches. So channel 5 will be switch A. Channel 6 will be switch B. You have to fidget with the switches a little. And then channel 7 will be switch C. Then channel 8 will be the last switch. Okay, perfect. Now I will assign the flight modes. So the first position of switch A will be disarm. The second position will be the beeper mode, so I will add range to the beeper mode. And I'm going to save. Wait, I also forgot to do aux1. Then I'm going to save, and you can see it's working. Then ARM will be in aux1, And I'm gonna make this a little tinier. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna save. And the other flight modes will be in switch B. So aqua mode will be in the first position, but aqua is default, so angle mode will be in the second position. I'll add that just in case if I get in trouble. And horizon mode will be in the last position. And I'm going to save. Oh wait, I forgot to do that. Okay, now I'm going to save. And everything is working here. And now I am ready for maiden flight. Let's go outside and try it out.
You might be wondering what happened to my backyard. Well, before you write anything in the comments, I will explain to you. So yesterday we had a huge storm and the neighbor's tree fell to our property, also damaging our tree. It's fairly large, and now we only have 2 spruce trees. You can also see that it also damaged our fence, so we need to repair that soon. I'll be using this disadvantage as an obstacle course. I will try my best not to get my quad into the tree because it's like fairly prickly. And the props that came with the quad are actually purple. If you flip the prop upside down, you can see a tint of purple. And this is a really good combination of colors, like dark purple with yellow. I really like that. And I'll fly. Oh, it's really responsive. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I never flown a racing drone in terrain, so this is kind of new to me. The controls are kind of like chalky, a little chalky. They're like terrains. So I'm gonna record it. Gonna try my best. I'm gonna try to flip.
No flip yet.
Yet.
On a bigger field.
Yet. My director said because of the tree.
Don't go there.
I'll do it in bigger fields. The flips.
Let's try put the run cam on top of it and fly.
I'll try. Let's try to put a run cam on top of it.
Yeah.
And record the damage, like the tree and all kinds of things. Because this is. I'm also gonna record my neighbor.
Don't go there. Don't go.
Not too far.
Okay. Land it and let's try.
And I'm gonna land it. Okay.
Let's try to put the run cam. Okay.
And we'll try to put run cam on it.
Okay, disarm.
Yeah, I disarmed it. Director.
really enjoyed flying this quad. It was a really fun flight experience. I really liked the run cam. It showed so much detail, good quality picture. Really like it. I'm gonna use it more and in my other quads. And I need to do several adjustments to this quad in Battleflight. So as you can see, in OSD I have too much information, so I need to fix that. And I need to also calibrate the battery voltage because I also have a problem with that. And this quad has the same problem as my other Furibee. All the nuts, they screw and unscrew in the same direction. So this will cause during flight time to loosen the props. So the props will, I will lose the props. It's not good. And I need to repair my fence, remove the tree, and make my backyard beautiful again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.